everyone. Hope you all are doing well. I have a little bit of a mini haul for today's video, and I thought I would just share this with you guys because I know you guys like to see the things that I buy. Ron and I went with Cabell Wayne Association for the Blind today to Walmart early this morning. Well, when I say early, I mean we left here at about 10 after 10 this morning, so that's pretty early for bus riding. So I got some odd and ends to have some healthier things for me here at the house. I'm trying to do better. I may not do perfect, but I'm trying to do better, and I've just got some healthier options today. So I'm just going to show you real quick what I purchased. So I did buy some turkey breast. This is the honey smoked turkey breast. Now everything is, not considered healthy, I guess, but it is what we eat. I did get some cheese singles because my husband loves them. Got him a pack of bologna. I've got me some of this cherry berry blend. I'm going to make up my freezer smoothies. It'll be in another video, I'm sure. I'm going to get back to getting some greens into my diet because I really need them. Got some hot sausage because I add this to a lot of things, especially because we cook with a lot of venison and a lot of turkey, and this kind of adds a little bit of flavor to those types of meats. 2 things of tuna fish in a can, and then I noticed that the Great Value had this tuna, and it was on sale. I don't know that it was on sale, but it was 89 cents a thing, which I didn't think was too bad for these little envelopes. And this is just a regular tuna. So I did get those. In this bag here, I didn't know if it was leaking, and I didn't want it to leak out, but I bought 2 things of turkey meat. If you've been watching, you know that I separate this into sections and just freeze it for meals. Then we also got the boneless, skinless chicken breasts. They were on sale today. I bought 2 packs. I'm just going to cook these up and eat them this week. Also got a giant thing of spinach, a thing of celery. I love celery. Ronnie hates celery, but I absolutely love celery. 2 cans of coffee. Yes, I did buy 2 cans the other day, but forever and ever and ever, Walmart did not have this coffee. And I mean, I think I went 4 or 5 weeks, went to 2 different Walmarts, still nobody had this coffee. And so what I have now is 4 cans of coffee, and so I'm stocked up for a while. 1 can lasts my husband and I pretty much a full month, if not a little longer. So I got 4 months worth of coffee. So I'm happy there. We've got some blueberries. Got some cottage cheese for me. We've got some vanilla Greek yogurt for me. We got Ronnie his tub of cottage cheese. 2 things of Cool Whip. I've got the fat-free milk as well as the almond milk for my smoothies. We've got 2 chocolate puddings that's sugar-free, 1 vanilla, and the rest is orange Jell-O because my husband and I like that. I got some hot dog buns and some white bread because we are going to be making hot dogs this week sometime, and that is for sandwiches. Also bought some Zantac as well as some Always pads. And then lastly, I got some Canada Dry. My husband loved it so much. He was like, see if you can buy that in cans. It's a little bit costly, but, and I will say that Walmart right now, you can get 24 packs of their Pepsi products for $9 and some change. So I could have went that route, but he doesn't like Pepsi at all. And so I just paid the money to get what he likes. So we got the Canada Dry. It is 0 sugar. And I bought, this is their version of Diet Coke, and I really like it. It just tastes the same to me. And if I drink any soda, it's like 1 can a day, if that. But I have this joke, like, I'm going to the fridge to get my stress reliever in the evening. I'm kind of just joking, but that's my Diet Coke. I love my Diet Coke. I like Diet Pepsi too, but Diet Coke seems what I kind of gear towards. But anyways, I hope you all enjoyed seeing this little mini haul. I hope you all have been enjoying my video content I've been putting out. And I just want to say thank you so much for sticking with Heidi's Home. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you along for my journey here at Heidi's Home. And thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye, guys.